Now it's time to add our dry ingredients. We're going to add 3 cups of flour. Make sure they're full and even cups. We'll add 2½ teaspoons of baking powder and 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Now mix that up until it's smooth. We've mixed that batter for about 2 or 3 minutes until it's smooth. Now we're going to take it out, scrape off your beaters, and pour it into the pans. Use a spatula to scrape the bowl and get all that batter out. Okay, take a look at the batter in your pans and make sure they're even. If it doesn't look even, just take a little out of one pan and put in the other one. You want them to be even so the cakes will be the same. Your pans should be about 2/3 full.